Revisiting psychiatric comorbidity, concepts and challenges. Psychiatric comorbidity is a reality that cannot be ignored. The concept of comorbidity was transposed from medicine to psychiatry in the 1980s. Since then, psychiatry has witnessed a tremendous growth in the research on comorbidity. However, comorbidity has proved to be a double-edged sword. Psychiatric comorbidity has important diagnostic and treatment implications. It is a guiding principle for organizing psychiatric classifications. On the other hand, despite the large amount of research, the nosological and diagnostic aspects of psychiatric comorbidity remain unresolved. Both underestimation and overestimation of comorbidity have led to problems that have challenged the very basis of psychiatric classifications and diagnostic practices. Future research focusing on identifying patterns of comorbidity and adopting more nuanced diagnostic approaches in clinical settings could be helpful. Introduction. Comorbidity means having two or more illnesses at the same time. In psychiatry, this idea became important in the 1980s and has since been a major focus of research. Today, it's common for patients to be diagnosed with multiple mental health disorders rather than just one. This helps doctors understand and treat complex cases better. However, it also creates challenges because the current classification systems aren't perfect at dealing with comorbidity. Doctors sometimes struggle with whether to label multiple disorders or focus on one main diagnosis, which can affect treatment decisions. Managing patients with several mental illnesses is often complicated, especially where healthcare resources are limited. This discussion is about psychiatric comorbidity, when two or more mental disorders exist together, which remains a difficult but important topic in mental health diagnosis and care. Conclusion. Research over the past 4 decades has firmly established psychiatric comorbidity as a phenomenon of great interest. Both underestimation and overestimation of comorbidity have led to problems that have challenged the very basis of psychiatric classifications and diagnostic practices. There are no easy solutions for excessive and often spurious comorbidity. There is a pressing need for research in this area for greater clarity regarding the phenomenon of comorbidity in research and clinical settings. It is hoped that future research will lead to improved classifications based on the etiologies of psychiatric disorders. This will help in identifying truly comorbid psychiatric disorders. Till the advent of etiologically validated psychiatric diagnoses, the only options are better quality research into patterns of comorbidity and a more nuanced approach to diagnosing comorbid disorders in clinical practice. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.